Hello everyone, it brings me tremendous exultation in presenting this quiz before you. Don't get aggrieved because you are the only judge. If you get low score, don't be startled and get furious. Become a scrupulous learner and try attempting it all over again. I hope that all these words which I have used in these sentences must be clear to you. तो आज के वीडियो में हम एक क्विज़ कंडक्ट करेंगे जिसमें हमने पार्ट 1 से लेके पार्ट 4 तक जितने भी वर्ड्स डिस्कस करे हैं उसको हम एक क्विज़ फॉर्म में रिकैप्चुलेट या फिर रिवाइज करेंगे. The link of all the 4 parts I have given below. So what we are waiting for? Let's start. Here are few instructions. A sentence with a blank will be given to you. You have to choose the correct option out of the two. The time will be 10 seconds for each statement and the timer will start as soon as you see the sentence. However, if you require more time, you can feel free to hit the pause button and do tell your score in the comment section. So let us start with the first statement. Be ready. Time is up. The correct option is A, that is startled. We were startled by the scream coming from the nearby park. The next sentence is Time is up. The correct option is B, that is furious. The mother was furious when she found her son had broken the costly vase. Next sentence. Time's up. The correct option is A, that is exultation. The crowd cheered in exultation after their victory. Next one. Time's up. The correct option is A. She is an affable girl, always willing to help. Next one. Time's up. The correct option is B, that is aggrieved. The children felt deeply aggrieved by the closing of the park in their locality. Next statement is Time is up. The correct option is A. He is an energetic and exuberant boy. Be ready for the next one. Time is up. The correct option is B, aggrieved. The aggrieved party presented a petition to the court for review. Next statement. The correct answer is A, that is apathetic. He is so apathetic that he no longer takes his future seriously. Next one. Time's up. The correct option is B. A scrupulous baker always pays extra attention to make perfect icing on the cake. Next statement. Time is up. The correct option is A, precarious. His financial position is precarious. Next one. Time's up. The correct option is B. Kindly reiterate what you said. Next statement. Time's up. The correct option is B. She was perplexed about what had happened. Next statement. Time's up. The correct answer is inquisitive. The children were very inquisitive at the Science Museum. Next sentence. Time's up. The correct option is B. Aplomb. He answered all the questions with aplomb. And the last sentence. Time's up. The correct option is A. Prudent. A prudent person saves a part of his salary. So what is your score? Write in the comment section. And if you like this video, do hit the like, share and subscribe button down below. Thanks for watching and participating.